Here is a step-by-step guide on how to draw 60 degrees angle. The first step is to draw a horizontal line. Now once you draw a horizontal line, you label this point as your point A, and here is your B. So the next step is to open your pair of compass to a convenient radius, and then you start at this point. So once you start at that point, you now cut an arc. So now once you cut an arc using that same radius, you also stand at this point, and then you now cut another arc. Now the next step is to draw from this origin to where these two lines intersect. So now once you draw from origin to where these two lines intersect, you now measure with your pair of protractor. So right now with your protractor, you make sure that this cycle is at its origin. So now once you place it, you will see that we exactly have 60 degrees. So this is how to construct a 60 degrees angle. If this is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share.